Well, breaking news coming in headlines today accesses military intelligence alert for IB and LOC units. Military intelligence alert talks about suspicious movement near the LOC. There is a specific alert along the international border and the LOC after the BSF punitive strike, remember, killed 4 Rangers. Special alert for late night and early morning patrols in fog situations have also been issued. Strategic Affairs Editor Gaurav Sawant now joins me on the phone line for more. Gaurav, what is the specific military intelligence alert in fact saying? Take us through the details.
The military intelligence has warned of a suspicious movement, and this has been seen on radars, also confirmed through human intelligence. There was an incident, if you recall, 2 years ago, taking advantage of fog. Pakistani soldiers and terrorists had sneaked across the line of control in January, and they had beheaded an Indian soldier. Just yesterday, the BSF in punitive strike had killed 4 Pakistani Rangers. One BSF Jawan had been ambushed, and this was first the Pakistanis ambushed a BSF patrol and killed a BSF Jawan. In retaliation, 4 Pakistani Rangers were killed, and this ambush is a fear not just along the international border, but all along the 770-kilometer long line of control, especially roughly 400 kilometers south of Pir Panjal. Yesterday, the Corps commander in the Chinar Corps had warned that snow level is less this year, and there is suspicious movement across. Just today, sources in military intelligence in Kashmir have told headlines today that there is fear that terrorists and Pakistan Army commandos could take advantage of this and try and ambush Army or BSF patrols.